owned by Property Florida Farm, Quality Holsteins,
Stadion.
Agile Societe, Agricola Israel, Fenrich Holsteins, and Dubaski Holsteins.
Da esasen şu mağazaları değişti. Adam stadyumda yürüdü.
Second was number 26, Division of Buca 26, Misal Andrea Red, owned by Property Savage Fisher and Roberto.
Şu an hemen transparency'liydim. Şu Goryan adına Amerikan Top Tüni.
Winners from the junior two-year-old class got an under la carte de Duzal. First was number 314 from Yango Bosankatos, Herb Akers, Snell Shakira, owned by Property de Anthony Matthew and Kakwali, from Jacob and Kakwali, Joyan Jaradas, and Tiny Holsteins. Second was number 313, Division of Bosan Pies, Winner Day Secret Glory, owned by Property de Blauser Fisk and Kakwali.
يعتبرون هذا ما عاد الخطر بعد الفرقة كبير صنفوني.
Winners from the senior two-year-old class, Daniel Nagal, first is number 334, from Daniel Bosan Mancat, Artusa Dara Sierra, owned by Property the Milk Source LLC. Second was number 332, Division of Bosan Mandu, Emmerdale Exquisite Authority, owned by Property Emmerdale Farm. Our winners from the junior trio class, Daniel Lacoste of Rosan first is number 352, Gabriel Paul-Saint-Andrew, ID Winbrook Lindsay, owned by Property of Frank and Diane Borba, GM Valley Holsteins, Richard and Shannon Allen, and Stefan Jean Wood. Second was number 355, Division of Bois-Saint-Anselme, Chester Dornan, owned by Property of Milk Source LLC.
Moi, je pense qu'il y a appelé.
Korean wale durlu dellerde burlaya gelen adamlar İtalya, Fransa.
In our most recent winner from the senior trio class, and you got another across the Bois-Saint-Aignan. First was number 372 from Yango Bosan on the news. Jacob Winbrook Emo, owned by Property of Jacob and Kakwali. Second was number 376, Division of Bosan on the sides. Pierre Steen Cicero Timeout, owned by Property of Jacob and Kakwali. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, show your appreciation for the breeders, exhibitors, and the judges' work. Un bon moment pour les éleveurs et exposants et le travail des juges.
Hoşun yer yağdı. Böyle ilk mahallerini götürüyordu. Söyleme. Mahallen sürtüldüğünü mü oldu? Yirmitre 22'den sonra kadar adara çok kötü. Şunyalı Kadir'dan dostlar. Başta bellek geçişmeyelim. Kanada'nın Toronto şehrinde noyabr ayının 3'ünden ta 12'sine geçerlerde sergi. Haberlerini yer itesizde düşürdüm, video aldım, bir tanıştırayım dedim. Canını sağ, başını gidip borcunu ulaşanın yani yetip giren kağıdı 2018 yıl büyük yürekten kutlayan tüyücü arzuların hasıl olsun. Hoş.